Chotu TV.
Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Orange, yellow, pink, green, red, light green, blue,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for aeroplane. B. E for basket. C. E for cake. D. E for doll. E. E for egg. F. F for frog. G. E for girl. H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. E. E for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rat. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra.
Hello kids, let's learn some color.
Mango. Apple. Grapes. Watermelon. Cherry. Avocado. Banana. Strawberry. Let's color these fruits. I'm coloring mango. What color is this? Yellow. Apple. I am coloring apple. Grapes. I'm coloring grapes. Watermelon. I am coloring watermelon. Cherry. I am coloring cherry. Next is avocado. I am coloring avocado. Banana. I am coloring banana. Strawberry. I am coloring strawberry. Mango, apple, grapes, watermelon, cherry, avocado, banana, strawberry. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.
Chotu TV.